I am the proud parent of a Trinity College East student, and I enrolled my son in Standard 3 in PTI when there were physical classes. And when schools were closed for the pandemic, PTI was one of the first organizations to embrace online learning and introduce the kids to this new learning platform. With all of the challenges of online learning, the tutors at PTI ensured all the kids in their care kept moving forward and growing. The lessons that they teach are more than just subjects for exams. They also gave them lessons for life. My son passed for his first choice, not through any chance, but through great support from PTI. They continue to play a great part in his education and development. PTI is a great investment in your child's future. I highly recommend them. His name is Randolph Joseph, the father of Kyle Joseph.